To get the Regions Bank app, start by ensuring your mobile device is compatible with the app. The Regions Bank app is available for both iPhone and Android devices, so you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store respectively. First, locate the App Store on your device, either the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Open the App Store and use the search function to find the Regions Bank app. Type in Regions Bank in the search bar and select the official Regions Bank app from the search results. Once you have located the app, click the download or install button to begin the download process. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection speed. After the app has finished downloading, click the open button to launch the app. If you are a Regions Bank customer, you can log into the app using your online banking username and password. If you are not a Regions Bank customer, you can still download the app and use it to learn more about the bank's products and services or to open a new account. To enroll in online banking through the app, select the Enroll option and follow the prompts to enter your account information and create a username and password. You will need to have your account number and other identifying information available to complete the enrollment process. After you have logged into the app, you can use it to check your account balances, pay bills, transfer funds, and manage your accounts. The app also allows you to deposit checks remotely, find ATMs and bank branches, and contact customer service. To ensure the security of your account information, make sure to always log out of the app when you are finished using it, especially if you are using a public computer or a device that is shared with others. You should also use a strong and unique password for your online banking account and keep your device's operating system and the Regions Bank app up to date with the latest security patches and updates.